Did you know that losing your greatest enemy can break you just as completely as losing a war? Two old men sit across from each other in a small tea house at the edge of a quiet village. No weapons, no armies, just silence and the soft sound of rain against the wooden roof. They had spent 40 years sharpening themselves against each other. Every scar on their hands was a reply to something the other had done first. Every discipline they built, every virtue they earned, was forged in the heat of that opposition. And now the conflict is gone, dissolved like smoke, and neither man knows what to say. Because here is what no one warns you about. When you spend a lifetime defining yourself by what you are fighting against, you quietly forget to ask who you actually are. The old warrior stares into his cup. His hands are still. His enemy is the only person alive who truly understood him. And that is the loneliest thought he has ever had. Do not build yourself on your opposition. Build yourself on something that cannot be taken away.